Welcome back to the channel, boys. As I told y'all before, we're in a mod train, man. We got a lot of mods to do to all the cars. From here to the end of the year, there's a lot going on. So let's get on to the next one. Now this mod here, you guys, honestly, I did not expect for me to do it so soon. It's something that I had been wanting to do, just didn't think it was gonna happen this year. But you know, the stars aligned, everything just made sense, or at least I made it make sense. And here we are. So y'all join me on another adventure of me spending money I don't have. No regrets. As long as my family's taken care of, you know, I'll do whatever I can with what I can. Here, you take care of that. Now you, let's go. All right. All right, boys, let's get to it. I've had these wheels on this car for a very long time. I've had them for about 6-7 years now. Before that, I went through about maybe 7-8 different sets of wheels with this car, and then finally I hit this wheel set, and you know, I felt satisfied with the car. I didn't really find any need to want to change it. I thought it just looked perfect until now. I think the bug bit me again where I wanted to change it. Maybe it's the fact that I see the Supra on the polished World RTSs that made me, you know, want to try it out on this car. So here we are. We have a full set of polished Weld RTS S71s for the Mustang. I'm still not 100% sure if I do like the way these look more than these. I'm gonna end up selling these. Unfortunately, I just can't keep all these wheels around here. I don't have enough space for them. I have a feeling that I'll probably regret it. But it is what it is, you guys. I mean, these wheels are massive. It's got a big old fat lip on here. These wheels too, I mean, don't get me wrong, these wheels have a decent sized lip, but that's a lot deeper. Let's just try them on and see if they actually look better than these, and I want you guys to tell me your opinion. All right, and I've come the 17s. These are 17 by 5s. That's one of the reasons that I always liked them, because they look good, but then at the same time, it's kind of like in the middle of a skinny and a full-size wheel. So 17 by 5, I mean, no. So 17 by 7s, and these are 18 by 9, full-size street wheel. Think rotation, that way. The person I got these wheels off of did also run a little spacer just to make it flush. I don't know. I might try it without the spacer, see what it looks like. Let me see. Damn it. I'm gonna need to run the spacer. It's rubbing on my coilover. Hopefully it just doesn't stick too far out. See, like this, it doesn't rub on the coilover. Let me get some lug nuts. Oh, I need the center cap as well. All right, boys, so there's the front. I didn't have the right lug nuts, so I just used some junk lug nuts that I had laying around. So everything spins freely. Let's lower it down, and hopefully with that spacer the wheel's not tucking out. Oh damn. That actually looks perfect. Oh shit. Dude, that's perfect. That's flush. Holy shit. Let's do the rear. Then we can do complete side by side. All right, let's get this wide ass one. That's one thing I'm gonna miss. These things are massive, but these work better. Appearance, I'm gonna go with function over appearance. This will work so much better. Oh man. You hear that? All right. This is gonna stick way too far in here. I already don't like it. I'm gonna need a spacer. Damn it. These tires are massive. These are 325 50s. These are 275 60s. So it's about the same height, but these are obviously a lot wider. It's like, bam. It's like it got put on a diet. Oh God. Now I don't know how I feel about it. All right, boys, and we're gonna scratch that last clip. I might go ahead and leave some of it in there just so you guys see, but there it is. The car is done with the new wheels, and I definitely changed my mind about what I said earlier. I really like this setup. So apparently the spacer that I had put on there was not a 1-inch. So I got 1-inch spacers, and it pushed out the wheels to be, you know, the proper offset and the proper distance, I guess, that it's supposed to have from the hub. I'm not really sure what that's called. I think it's called an offset, but there you go. Tires look perfect. Now these 275s will be able to tuck into the body without me worrying about rubbing the freaking paint away, because I'm not sure if I've ever told you guys this, but you guys see that? That's all rubber. So whenever the car would squat, the tire is actually rubbing in there pretty bad. Now with the 275s, it should not do that. And not only that, but the 275 Pros are significantly much more sticky, and the car's gonna hook up way better than the steamrollers that it had on there. Now granted, the steamrollers do look a lot better. You know, it looks crazy from the back. It looks like a gigantic ass tire like that. However, again, I'm going over function over appearance. I mean, don't get me wrong, this still looks pretty damn good. It looks really good, actually. The wheels themselves, I think, just really pop the car, right? Black and polished, I think, is one of my most favorite setups. Now, I am gonna miss the other wheel setup. I am really gonna miss it. But in order to keep the builds going, I must sell those. So I know that there are a lot of fans for that wheel setup that I had. So if anybody wants to purchase it, send me a DM on Instagram and I'll let you know. I will be posting them on Facebook Market as well. But again, I need to sell those wheels to keep on funding the builds on these cars, because times are tough, man. Times are tough, and your boy needs to make some extra money somehow. And for those who are excited about this car, if I haven't posted the video already, it'll be coming here very soon. But right now, what I gotta do, and here are the steamrollers that I took off the car. These are the 17x7s, and these are the monster steamrollers. But I have to go ahead and jack up the car, both of them actually. I gotta jack up the Mustang and the Supra in order to change out the transmission fluid, because they're both due for a transmission fluid change, because they're fully broken in. And that way, the next time that I drive the cars, I can just get on them and there's really nothing else to worry about. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.